What's up, YouTubers? So I bet you didn't know that I sponsor a rider, and I watch motocross, supercross, watch European. I haven't ridden in a little while from a torn ligament injury, but I still like to ride. And I watch a lot of video, and so I called the rider I sponsor, Brian Carroll, and he's a pro. 483 is his number. And I said, dude, I'll put up 20 grand to buy some $100,000 amateur pro racer or pro racer's bike. These guys are like, oh man, they're afraid. I'm like, yeah, dude, I'll spend 20 grand for a $50,000 or $100,000 dirt bike. We can have some fun with that. We can probably make some money. Brighton, who's coming through the ranks, is like, oh, dude, I don't want to fall out and you know, no one to help me and all that stuff. Dude, we could sell his bike and make tons of money. We could let people ride it and make some money. Yeah. So that's the fear factor that these guys who are coming through the ranks are afraid of the industry. That's fucked up. When there's a rule set in place and you can't use it, or someone pressures you with power from above, or intimidates a minor who's a minor, under 18, you're a minor, all the way down. I don't give a shit if this top level guy who's a factory rider loses his bike. What do I fucking care? They're gonna give him another bike. That's how I look at it. 20 G's for a $100,000 bike, one off. That sounds like a good deal to me, doesn't it? Sound like a good deal to you?